Alright, so we got a sharp microwave drawer. Now I'm basically going over where all the screws are located so that you'll have a reference point when it's time to put them back in. I will go over 4 screws that are on the back, that back panel. Those are special screws, so make sure those go back. Those are in the center. And just giving you basically what it looks like, so when it's time to put them back, you'll have an idea. So we're going to be removing the cover, and I will have another video on testing components. This is basically how to remove the cover, power supply, and the user interface board. Alright, so we got this taken apart. All the screws are out. Now, you don't have to remove those. And all the screws on the side are short. These are short. All of these short screws, super short. They're right there. These up top, super short as well. From right there. Take this off. It fits in like that. This bracket, that arrow or tab, whatever that is, points up. Right there. And these are screws as well. 3 of those. All right. This is ready to be taken off. One more thing to note, when you're putting this back on, outside, 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 this tab goes on the inside. Make sure. All right. Your door switches, these sometimes can throw things off where they're not connecting properly. Board is down here. Now to do that, you do have to remove this back piece. Okay. These screws, so we gain access to the board. Must be removed before you can remove it. Alright, let's get that off. Alright, all the screws up top, bottom, they're all shorties, okay? Just like what's on the side. The only ones that are different are these here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all machine screws, and they're different. See the threads? Totally different. That's 4 of them. Make sure you put them back accordingly. Lift up. Don't pinch any wires when you put it back together. And don't forget, we'll go over everything once everything's put back together, just to make sure that it looks good. Alright, so we're going to be removing the power supply board. Alright, let's get that out. 2 Phillips screws. Use a magnetic tip screwdriver so you don't drop your screws in the back and having to fight to get them out. Don't lose your screws. 2 tabs at the bottom. Reach in, be careful around your wires, don't damage anything. And I'm going to lift up and out. All right, and that's the board. All right, so going to be removing the display. Now this one does not move. And you're going to have 2 tabs. Okay, one there, one there. Phillips screw, Phillips screw. And you're going to lift up and unplug that harness. Let's do that. All right, so we got our screws. They're out. And we're going to be lifting up slightly. Again, you have your tab. And you also have 2 tabs right here. So let's lift one at a time. Tip forward as you lift. Now be careful, you do have the harness that you must unplug. But you should be able to lift it up, twist it, and secure it. All you have to do now is unplug your harness. Got your short screws, and of course, special screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you'll have to align that to that, and you have another tab here. Make sure it falls in place. Watch all your wires, make sure nothing is pinching so you don't have a problem. All right, so finish putting all the screws for the back, and then we're going to put the top piece on. All right, pin, whatever that is, points up. Line your holes up. All right, repeat on the other side. Alright guys, we are at the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.